Alright, so here we are in a tutorial on how to get rid of the rattling sounds, nasty sounds from your front speaker or tweeter in the A4 B9 on my case, with the Bang & Olufsen sound system. I already did a dedicated video over here for the center speaker, which is the biggest issue in my opinion in this car. So as you can hear, this is absolutely over here rattle free. And yeah, this is the A4 B9 platform, so any A5 Q5 I believe will have the same steps over here as my car. So let's get it started. First of all, we need a little pointy tool over here to get under the cover. So just like that, after putting it under there, you can safely pry it upwards, and with your hand you can get it out. This is at least the first part over here, as you can see. So there is another like a base of this cover that is hidden under this grill. Now we need to put another tool between the dashboard and this plastic thing over here. So let me get it in there, just like so. And we will need another tool to get some more leverage under there, and you can see it lifting upwards and you can hear it pop. So now I will just take my hand over here and carefully move it upwards. You wanna have an even pressure on the whole thing and move it directly above the dashboard so that you don't break any of those three parts. So right now I will figure this out, those two parts over here, what to do about it to get rid of the rattle sound. Basically what I did with the middle speaker over here. So let me check it out and I will get to you with a finished product. So this is how it looks like, and this is the part where you need to wedge the tool over here, sorry for the focus, to get the leverage on this part. Alright, so this should be ready. This is how it looks like. I just used some noise insulation tape and made a little ring over here where the plastics meet together, and some extra tape on the parts where those three parts meet over here. So this is how it looks like, and let's try to put it together right now. All right, as you can hear, okay, now it sits. Almost no sound putting it back together. So this should give us some good results over here. And yeah, let's try this in the car. Alright, so we got another speaker fixed over here. I did some testing and there's absolutely zero rattling sound. So there's one issue over here, as you can see in those two spots. There's just too much material between those two pieces over here. So what I advise you to do if you want to get rid of those two bumps over here, and what I might do as well, is just changing that tape between those two pieces with some isolating tape, black isolating tape, and this should be much thinner over here, and those two bumps should not show up. But in my opinion, and they just only show up a lot on camera, but I haven't really noticed it while using the car. So this was the tutorial, guys. If you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments on which parts of the car should I focus more. Whatever question you have with this car, with the platform B9, I will try to answer. So thank you so much for watching my content, and consider subscribing. See you on the next one. Bye bye.